Welcome to the CFD weekly overview of the global financial markets. The euro pushed higher against the dollar last week. The common European currency remained stable due to pressure upon other currencies. The British pound traded stable to higher last week, as news emerged that cross-party talks on Brexit have been underway for several weeks to ensure the 29th of March date to leave the EU is pushed back until July at the latest. However, any agreement to delay Brexit will anger Brexiters within Theresa May's governing party. The Japanese yen was slightly higher over the week and traded at a 4-month high against the dollar. The yen has safe haven support in recent weeks amid global growth fears. The US dollar dropped against a basket of other currencies as the US government shutdown and concerns over a possible economic slowdown put downward pressure on the greenback. Investors also continue to price in slowing interest rate rises in 2019, causing demand for the dollar to drop. The Turkish lira fell last week as the currency looks to put a volatile year behind it, which saw the currency slumping by nearly 50% in August, but recovering since. However, last week, President Erdogan's government announced a plan to increase the minimum wage by more than a quarter next year, which analysts see adding 1.5 to 2 percentage points to inflation. US stocks recorded an extremely volatile run last week, but finished up over the week for the first time in December, and the USA 500 recorded its highest daily gain of 4.2% since 2001. However, analysts cautioned that the bounce back was likely temporary, as markets are still concerned over a slowing global economy, the trade war, and lower company earnings than previous years in 2019. Gold prices continue to climb towards the psychologically important target of $1,300, with the precious metal finding considerable safe haven demand. Volatile stocks and commodities, global uncertainty, and a slower pace of interest rate hikes have made gold a more attractive investment. Oil prices were extremely volatile last week, with crude falling to its lowest level since June 2017, before making a slight recovery towards $45. Oil prices continue to be depressed by rising supply and concerns over the health of the global economy. You've been watching the CFD Weekly overview of the global financial markets.